get it? Pull back, pop it up, kick it. Regulator. Come on. I think it's my turn. No warranty. Oh, no warranty, didn't you? He's killing it before.
Pat, last one, Foles, Pipsy, and Moz.
You know, it's just get should I get my badger milk? It's mad. Don't even try. Don't try. Oh! See that? Here we go. Don't worry, brother. Nick Cummins.
Well, mate, basically started off up there in Brizzy, did my schooling up there, and played for about probably only 1 year after school, and then went down to Sydney clump competition and played for Randwick, and then mate went across to over to Perth to play for the Western Force. You know, coming in, it's a whole new culture for us, and we're embracing it. We love it. The people are so friendly, and yeah, no, it's awesome. But that it's different. And yeah, and you know, there's always something to try. I think we'll try different foods after we've done our competing. I think is the smart option. But yeah, like the boys have talked to a few of the locals, and they're happy with them. They're great people. Yeah, well, you know, obviously we've got you know, a couple of big guns. You know, our third game on tomorrow, we've got England. They're pretty handy, but you know, we've done a fair bit of preparation, and I think we're ready for them. It's them, Samoa and New Zealand, who are also pretty tough competitors. They've been working very hard, I'm sure, and as we all are, and it'll be a good spectacle. Mate, no, it's good. We've been training out at the near the university there. It's a great venue, yeah, mate. The pitch is good, the grass is good, it's fresh, mate. Purposely built, and it'll be good to play on. All right, no worries.